Hello, I'm Chayla with Mindful Somatics, and today I want to talk about how mindfulness has impacted my physical fitness journey. Growing up in gymnastics and over my 10 years of experience coaching gymnastics, along with my 6 years of training CrossFit, I have witnessed and seen a lot of borderline abusive coaching. And not just the coaches, but the athletes towards their own bodies, pushing and pushing the physical body more and more, paying no attention to the mental effects and the mental boundaries that needed to be addressed before pushing the physical body further. And this same pattern is prevalent in the fitness industry, where good intentions to get healthy and active turn into unhealthy extremes with unhealthy routines or pushing the body to extremes, creating chronic injuries. And more often than not, this is creating a disconnect from the mind-body attunement instead of enhancing the mind-body connection that we are all striving for in our physical activity. And this is something that I wanted to change and address, and I have been organically within my own fitness journey. I've been intentionally listening to what my body is trying to tell me instead of just blatantly blasting through my workouts. And as I learned and grew attunement to what my body was trying to tell me, I found mindful meditations. And this was really the missing link that I was looking for in my fitness journey. And it has become such a big part of my lifestyle, and it has been such a positive impact on both my mental health and my physical fitness. And it's why I wholeheartedly believe that it is essential for anyone who wants their physical fitness and health to be as powerful and strong as it can be. And that is why I have been working to bring you a 14-day introduction to mindfulness, so you can learn what mindfulness actually is and how to apply it to your daily life. So often something I hear from people is that you're too busy to add yet another thing into your busy schedule, which I totally understand. And that is why I've created this to take no more than 15 minutes a day. Together, we do a very short lesson, and then we go into a guided meditation together. And then the next thing I hear from people is, I'm not good at meditation, or I've never even done a meditation before. That is okay. There is no experience needed to be able to do this course. I take you through it step by step together. So again, I will be uploading this August 1st to my website, so I'm very excited to see you there and go through this journey of mindful meditation together.